Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. My name is Ahmad Renal. Here I will give a speech about the importance of good and correct Indonesian in the era of globalization. In the midst of rapid technological development and global interconnection, language has become an integral means of communication in our lives. Therefore, maintaining good and correct Indonesian is very important. In the era of globalization, good and correct Indonesian is a bridge to communicate with the outside world. Correct and good language can demonstrate our integrity as a nation, express ideas clearly, and strengthen our cultural identity. In international business relations, the ability to communicate well and use the correct language is one of the key to success. It is also important in education. Language is the main tool in teaching and learning process. When students have a good understanding of Indonesian, they can understand and convey ideas clearly, develop critical thinking skills, and absorb information more effectively. Good and correct language also helps in improving writing, reading, listening, and speaking skills. Not only in the educational and business environment, good and correct Indonesian also plays an important role in the maintaining the unity and integrity one another, respecting difference and strengthening social bonds. By using and correct language, we can maintain harmony and avoid misunderstanding that can divide the nation. However, in the development of technology and the influence of foreign culture, sometimes our Indonesian is neglected. Abbreviation, slang, or code mixing often replace standard language. Therefore, efforts are needed to increase awareness of the importance of using good and correct Indonesian. Strong education, consistent application of language rules, and promotion of the correct use of language across social media can be the first step toward achieving this goal. In closing, let us protect and preserve the good and correct Indonesian language in the era of globalization. Language is our valuable and cultural heritage and mirror of national identity. By using good and correct language, we can strengthen our position on the global stage, increase our competence and abilities, and strengthen unity and oneness as a nation.